Peace, peace, family. Welcome to the channel or welcome back. I'm Empress Crissy. We have weekly mini challenges on the channel. This week we have the No Judgment Day challenge. So you're going to go for 24 hours being aware of how often you are judging others, whether it's silently or whether it's out loud. Okay? The goal is not to not judge, it's just to become aware of it. Become aware of you judging, and then to be able to shift that energy. And also, this is going to show you a lot about you and how often you judge. I remember a few years ago, I did this. I didn't do this quite like this, but I just wanted to see how long could I go without judging somebody. I ain't last an hour. It was so funny. I was going to the store and I saw this lady. I can't remember what she had on, but whatever she had on, it was inappropriate to have on outside. I looked up and I was like, and before I know it, I was like, what? And all I could do was laugh. And I'm like, there I go. I said I didn't make it an hour. And it made me really realize just how often and how quick and just by default we just judge other people. It's not that we're not going to, but just become a little bit more conscious of it and shift the energy and try to reframe and give that a little bit more grace and not be so judgmental of others. And just take note, write it down, look at it, reflect on it, because it's really just showing you about you. That's it. It's a fun little activity for this challenge for the week. We'll have the description of the challenge and how it's worked in the description box. The No Judgment Day mini challenge for this week. Join us on this challenge. Comment below and let us know, was you able to make it through the day without judging? And if so, kudos. Did you make it an hour, 2, 3, 4 hours? Give us a comment in the box below. And I will see you in the comments. And I am out for this week's challenge. Comment, like, subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you guys back here again next time. Empress Crissy, I'm out with love. Peace.